Here's my next solution. I went back to doing 10 loops with the number of O's being equal to whatever line I'm on, subtracting from 21 so I get an odd number of dashes, followed by the same number of O's. Now see, once you know how to think it out, it's really obvious, isn't it? And then I realized that if I have done the 10th line, then I'm going to do a last line with a bunch of O's. How did it turn out when I ran it? Not perfect because, again, I fell into the trap of thinking of only tens. Now remember, these are genuine errors that I made. I can't dream these up. But they're typical, I think, which is why teachers don't have much sympathy for you, because they made the same mistakes themselves and had to work through it. So I realized that I was 10 short here, and this should be a 21 instead. So let's close this one out, and we'll go get the file that had the perfect solution. There it is. We can see that at the bottom I did 21 O's. Let's run it. Oh, by the way, there is an end of loop code there just so that I could show you that even though we did C1 through 10, when we finally get out of the loop down here at the bottom, C is set at 11. It's been my experience whenever I got a new software package, coding package, I needed to always study for sure. How does it do the 4 next loops? Does it shut off before it gets to that point or after it gets to that point? And they are pretty consistent, but there's so many variations in how you can code it that you do need to just sit down for an afternoon and study how your particular language works. Okay, we have one other topic left, and that's the ultimate application where we're not stuck at just 10 lines. Come back in a moment and we will change this code to something that will work for everything.